औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। दोस्तों, आज की इस वीडियो में हम द एज ऑफ शॉसर से 50 फैक्ट्स के हवाले से पढ़ेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। जॉफ्री चॉसर वाज बोर्न इन 1340 और 1343। चूँकि एग्जैक्ट डेट ऑफ बर्थ इसका मालूम नहीं है, लिहाजा अगर ये दोनों ऑप्शन में से एक आ जाए 1340 या 1343 तो ये करेक्ट आंसर होगा। नंबर 2, जॉफ्री चॉसर डाइड इन 1400। नंबर 3, एडवर्ड III became the king in 1327. Number 4, Hundred Years' War was started in 1338 and ended in 1453. Number 5, Hundred Years' War lasted for 15 years, 115 years. Number 6, Hundred Years' War was fought between England and France. Number 7, English became the language of courts in the age of Chaucer. Number 8, Richard II became the king in 1377. Number 9, Black Death started in 1348. Number 10, Peasants' Revolt started in 1381. Number 11, Chaucer is known as the father of English poetry. Number 12, Chaucer is known as the English Homer. Number 13, Chaucer was born in London. Number 14, Chaucer was imprisoned in 1360. यानी चौसर को 1360 में कैद किया गया था. Chaucer was imprisoned during 100 Years' War. Number 16, Chaucer was a page, यानी servant of Edward III's daughter-in-law. Number 17, Chaucer became the Member of Parliament in 1386. Number 18, Chaucer was the first poet who used heroic couplet. Number 19, Chaucer's best and final work is Canterbury Tales. Number 20, in writing the Canterbury Tales, Chaucer was influenced by Boccaccio's Decameron. Number 21, Chaucer's work can be divided into 3 periods. 22, the first period of Chaucer's life is influenced from French. Number 22, Latin is the second period of Chaucer's life. 23, in his last period, Chaucer wrote in English language. 24, there are 29 characters in Canterbury Tales. 25, all the characters were going to the shrine of Thomas Becket. 26, Chaucer used East Midland dialect. 27, Chaucer's French period consists of first 30 years of his life. 28, Chaucer's second period is Latin, which consists of 15 years. 29, Chaucer's third period is English, which consists of 15 years. Number 30, at the age of 17, Chaucer became the page of Princess Elizabeth. 31, at the age of 19, Chaucer took part in 100 Years' War. 32, Chaucer married with Philippa Royt. 33, Romaunt of the Rose was translated from French language. 34, Romaunt of the Rose was translated into Middle English. 35, the Book of the Duchess was written in French period. 36, The Book of the Duchess is an elegy. 37. Troilus and Cressida is written by Chaucer. 38. In Troilus and Cressida there is background of Trojan War. 39. The House of Fame is written by Chaucer in 3 books. Number 40. The Legend of Good Women is written by Chaucer. 41. Heroic couplet was used by Chaucer for the first time in The Legend of Good Women. 42. There are 9 legends in it. 43. The Parliament of Fowls is written by Chaucer in Rhyme Ryle. 44. Chaucer's third period started in 1386. 45. Canterbury Tales was written in 1387. 46. All the characters gathered in the Tabard Inn. 47. Harry Bailey was the owner of the inn. 48. The Nun's Priest's Tale was about a rooster. 49. The name of the rooster was Chanticleer. Number 50 and the last one is Chaucer was buried in Westminster Abbey. तो दोस्तों ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक। उम्मीद है आपने इससे बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा।